welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my daily skincare routine with you. I have a bunch of products that I use, and I am not into extensive skincare. People usually who do extensive skincare have a long list of products that they use every day, and I am also thinking of changing my skincare routine, getting some new products that I've heard of are good for Asian skin, but until I do that, I will be following the routine that I do at the moment. And today I'm going to share the products that I use with you. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing in the morning, of course, as we all do, is cleansing, and I use the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless moisturizing cleanser. Now this is a foam-based cleanser. It does just kind of like dry my skin a bit, but very little. I mean, not to the extent that my skin burns or gets irritated. It just dried out a little bit because I think that's because it is foamy. Most foam cleansers do that, but overall I love this product. It gives me that radiant glow that I usually run after. Whatever product I use, I usually am looking for that glowy after effect after I use the product, so it does give me that. And apart from that, it also keeps my skin soft, not very dry, not extremely soft, but somewhere in the middle. And I'm okay with the formulation. I have been using this for more than 6 months now, and it has not caused my skin any kind of damage, so I do like this product a lot. After cleansing my face, I go for the Believe Youth Creator Age Knockdown Balm. I'm sorry, my camera is out of focus again. You can see it now. Okay, so this as you can see is a very small size. I received this from Influencer as a sample to use, and for some reason I have fallen in love with this product because it has worked on my skin. It has worked on my pores, kind of shrunk them, and my skin actually seems smoother. So there's only a little bit of product left in the bottle, so I might get this one and incorporate it into my skincare routine in the future, well, in the near future, hopefully. But because this product is quite expensive, it's 80 Canadian dollars, one would think twice before going for it. But I have used it for quite some time now, and trust me, it is a miraculous product, so I will be getting this one. So after using the Age Knockdown Balm, I usually go for a moisturizer. Of course, it's an essential step. I switch between the Olay Micro Sculpting Cream, or I go for the Believe Moisturizing Balm. As you know, this one also came from Influencer for review, so there's still a lot of product left in there, so I switch between these two. But once the moisturizing balm finishes, I will be using my Olay Regenerist continuously. I have used this for almost a year now, and I absolutely love this product. It just keeps my face moisturized for more than 12 hours. It has caused me no harm. I think it is great for brown skin and Asian skin. And if you haven't tried it yet, please do. Okay, so that's the three things. These are three things I use in the morning, and usually in the evening, because of the winters are here and the weather is extremely dry right now, I do moisturize my face again. And when I sleep at night, before I sleep, I use the moisturizer again, either the Olay one or the moisturizing balm. And then I also use the Polysporin Lip Health Lip Therapy. Now this is not a lip balm, this is not even petroleum jelly, but this is somewhere in the between a thick white cream, which moisturizes the lips, and it kind of keeps my lips from flaking and tearing, because I have super sensitive dry lips, so they flake and they tear and bleed a lot, and this helps save me from all that trouble. So I use this, and I'm sorry I forgot to tell you, I also use it in the morning. So when I'm done with my moisturizer, the last thing I put in the morning is the Polysporin Lip Health, and at night before I go to when I go to bed, I use a moisturizer again and put on the lip therapy again. So those were all the products I use during the day. I do not wear sunblock because I have not had much luck with sunblocks or sunscreen, better known. Because whenever I tried sunscreen, they are either too oily or they just feel really heavy on the skin. So I have not been able to find the proper formula that is comfortable for me, for my skin. So I'm still on the lookout for that, and I don't go out much. So I know it's not necessary to wear sunscreen when you're going out, because obviously we're in the house, we're cooking, we're in the kitchen so much of the time, and that heat coming in from the stove is not good for the skin as well. I know that, but since I have not found the perfect formula for me, so I do not use sunscreen at the moment. There are a few products that I use alternatively or every 2 or 3 days. One of those is the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. I have used St. Ives a lot, especially I used their product especially when I was a teenager. They are non-abrasive, they are very good for the skin. I have never had any issues or complaints using St. Ives products. I have used a lot of their skincare, from peels to moisturizers to scrubs, and I found this one around a week back, and I just picked it up as soon as I saw it. But when I was not using this, I used a soothing scrub from Sanctuary Spa, which I don't have with me at the moment, and I'm not going to include it in the video because I believe Sanctuary Spa products are not easily available in Canada, so I will keep that out of the video. But otherwise, this has become my staple scrub, and I use it every 2 to 3 days. After every 2 to 3 days, mostly in the evening. I don't use it in the morning because I've already done a lot to my face in the morning, so I use it in the evening after 2 or 3 days. And then there is one product that I use weekly, once a week, and that is the Derma E Vitamin C Instant Radius Citrus Peel. I'm sorry, here it is. I have raved about this product so much. I have talked about this in a lot of videos if you've checked my content earlier. This is a wonderful peel. It is exfoliating. It is somewhere it is moisturizing. It gives you a lot of radiance. I have done an entire review on most of these products on my blog, and I've also posted before and after pictures after using the Derma E Citrus Facial Peel. I will put all of the links in the description box below, so you can check each and every product out if you want to, and also put Amazon links below for you to purchase if you want to. But this is my skincare routine. I use the citrus peel once a week, and that's it, because it is recommended and because I have super sensitive skin, so I tend not to temper and with my skin, because I'm already using so much, so I try to keep it, as per my schedule. Okay, one other thing, you might have noticed that I did not use toner, although I do have one with me right here. I recently bought the ordinary 7% glycolic 7% toner. Now, I was pretty excited. I had heard very good reviews about it. I'm sorry, my camera is just, oh my god. Okay. I read very good reviews about it. There are YouTubers who keep talking about it so much. But what I did not think about it is it actually good for brown skin? So I've been following a few videos of a cosmetic formulator. Her name is Dr. Vinita Rattan, and she is an amazing person. She is a professional doctor and skincare expert, and I have been following her videos for quite some time now, where she tells you the products that are actually good for brown skin and that are not. And this was one of the products that is not good for browns or Asian skin or skin of color. So following her advice, I have stopped using the ordinary toner, and I will get the ones that she suggested. I believe one was from Paula's Choice, and I don't remember the other two, but her advice has actually helped me a lot understand skincare, understand the ingredients that go into skincare, and what is actually good for the skin and what is not. So I will be getting a toner soon, according to Dr. Rattan's recommendations. And when I was talking about changing my skincare, I actually meant by change, I might get a new cleanser from the ordinary, the squalene cleanser, and I might add in a few products that are niacinamide and hopefully hyaluronic acid, and some more acids and serums based on anti-aging and pigmentation removal. So I have been looking for products that can deal with pigmentation marks and scarring on the face, and of course anti-aging too. So I might get a few of those products from The Ordinary. Now that will actually increase a lot of product usage for me. I will have to use a lot of things on my face, but that's okay. I mean, you gotta do something about it, right? Of course, we're aging, we're not getting any younger anyway. So to deal with this issue, I will be getting some more skincare, which I will share with you when I do get it. And that's it for my video. I hope you liked it. This is my little skincare routine, and if you want to know more, you can leave me a comment below. And as usual, I would ask you to please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more content ahead. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.